Hello, good morning. Today I am going to discuss about Bogar's Boning Hussein's characteristics and repertoire or BBCR. This repertoire is act as bridge between Kent's repertoire and Boning Hussein's therapeutic pocket book. Dr. Cyrus Maxwell Bogar was born in 1861. He was a leading practitioner in USA. He came to USA in 1888, graduated from College of Medicine and later on graduated in homeopathy from Hahnemannian Homeopathic Medical College, Philadelphia. Bogar has vast contributions to homeopathy. He translated many valuable books available in homeopathy from German to English. He also translated Boning Hussein's repertoire of antisoric medicine into English in 1900. 1905, BBCR was prepared. This book published in India in 1937 after his death. In 1906, Moon Phases and Times of Remedies. 1917, Bogar's Synoptic Key, first edition. 1928, Bogar's Synoptic Key, fourth edition. These above mentioned books published by Dr. C.M. Bogar. Next, source of Bogar's Boning Hussein characteristics and repertoire. One copy of Boning Hussein's therapeutic pocket book was given by Dr. Boning Hussein to later Dr. Carol Dunham. Then it went into possession of Dr. Joseph Guernsey. Antisoric medicine, non-antisoric medicine, sites of body by Boning Hussein and Miller, intermittent fever by Dr. H.C. Allen, whooping cough by Clark, domestic physician by Dr. Harry. Dr. Borick and Tafel published this enriched work of Dr. Bogar in 1905. Philosophical background of Boning Hussein's characteristics and repertoire. Boning Hussein's therapeutic pocket book was translated and then edited by C.M. Bogar, which is called Boning Hussein's characteristics and repertoire. Many criticized made to Boning Hussein's therapeutic pocket book for the ground plan that there has been no differentiation between general and particular modalities, but could not find the fault in this repertoire. Bogar's work on Boning Hussein characteristic and repertoire is based on following fundamental concepts. Number 1, doctrine of complete symptoms. Number 2, doctrine of pathological general, doctrine of causation and time, clinical rubrics, evaluation of remedies, fever totality and concordance. So fundamental concept of Bogar's Boning Hussein repertoire is doctrine of complete symptom, doctrine of pathological general, doctrine of causation and time, clinical rubrics, evaluation of remedies, fever totality and concordance. A structure of Boning Hussein's characteristics and repertoire. While dealing with Boning Hussein's therapeutic pocket book, Bogar feels difficulties in daily practice. Therefore, he tried to modify the structure and content of the book by adding many medicine and rubrics drawn from his experiences and many other sources. In spite of this modification, the basic principles have remained unchanged. Important contribution of Bogar is the fever chapter. In entire literature, he has followed the gradation as followed by Boning-Hussain. Bogar has divided the preface into 4 parts, which are considered as Bogar's contribution to repertory. Preface proper, on the use of repertories, the repetition of the dose, the homeopathic prognosis. Bogar has incorporated 359 drugs in the entire repertory. Concordance chapter deals with 125 medicine. So let us see chapters of this repertory. Mind, sensorium, vertigo, head, eyes, ears, nose, face, teeth, mouth, appetite, thirst, taste, eructation, water brush and heartburn, hiccough, nausea and vomiting, stomach, hypochondria, abdomen, inguinal and pubic region, flatulence, stool, anus and rectum, perineum, prostate gland, urine. Urinary organs, genitalia, male organs, female organs, sexual impulse, menstruation, respiration, cough, larynx and trachea, voice and speech, neck and external throat, chest, back, upper extremities, lower extremities, sensation and complaint in general, glands, bones, skin and exterior of body, sleep and dream, fever, blood, heat and fever in general, sweat, compound fever, condition in general, condition of aggravation and amelioration. So in this way, Bogar increased number of chapters up to 52. Arrangement of remedies. With the advancement of our materia medica, Boning-Hussain passed away. Dr. Bogar has added almost 17 new remedies: aloes, epismil, argentum nitricum, borax, bromium, calcarea phos, fluoric acid, gelsemium, gluonine, calibrom, criojotum, mercor, natrum sulph, phytolacca, podophyllum, sorinum, tabacum, etc. Hence, total number of medicine discussed are 342 plus 17 is equal to 359. Concept of repertorial totality of BBCR. Bogar has accepted Boning-Hussein's approach to the totality of the patient with its stress on physical general modalities and concomitants. Bogar repertory is the combined observation and logic of Boning-Hussain and the wise experience gathered by Dr. Bogar from his long years of study and practice. Bogar helped the profession by putting all his experiences in the evolution of portrait of disease, natural as well as artificial. Bogar re-emphasized the views of Boning-Hussain, 7 point to appreciate the whole picture of disease such as change of personality and temperature, peculiarity of disease, seat of disease, concomitants, the cause, modalities and time. The significant contribution of Boger in the evaluation of the portrait of disease lay in his total appreciation of the following areas: the time dimension, causative modalities, the tissue affinities, the pathological general. Advantage of BBCR. Each location is followed by particular sensations, modalities and concomitants, which was lacking in Boning-Hussain therapeutic pocketbook and not found in Kent's repertory. It is a bridge between Boning-Hussain therapeutic pocketbook and Kent's repertory, useful in cases where particulars are dominating, hence more useful in short and acute cases. Many diagnostic and clinical rubrics are present. These rubrics cannot be neglected as they have a group of common symptoms which medicine also have produced during proving. It contains many pathological generals which are valuable for repertorization and selection of simillimum. Cross references given at the end of each section. This helps to find out appropriate rubrics. Fever chapter have been one of the unique work of Dr. Boger. This makes BBCR one of the best repertory for the fever symptoms. It is superior to Boning-Hussain therapeutic pocketbook. So, Dr. Boger had differentiated particular modalities in each section and section of general modalities toward the end of repertory. Materia medica part is present which helps for reference. Concordance section at the end of repertory helps to study relationship of remedies. Many symptoms or rubrics absent in Kent's repertory are present in BBCR like moon phases. Word index at the end of book makes it very easy to find required rubrics. Limitation of BBCR. Repertory is a mean and not an end itself, so we have to refer back Materia medica for final selection. No subsection of concomitants is given in some chapter. Concordance section contains only 124 remedies and it has many mistakes. Definite arrangement is not found. It makes one difficult to search the rubrics. Similar rubrics are found in different sections, that is, confusion given in sensation, confusion given under mind. Several rubrics are misplaced, creating difficulty in finding them out. Many rubrics contain single or a few remedies. Nosodes are not represented well through this repertory. Is published after Kent's repertory. Number of medicine is limited. Mental symptoms are not given in detail. Gradation of remedies incorrect in many places. All remedies for particular sections are not mentioned. Name of medicine, those appear only in relationship chapter, are given below. Acetum beige, aurum foliatum, alcohols, cerevisia larger, electricitas, mercurius vivus, sacrum lactis, sativa officinalis, sem carvi, serpenteria aristolochia, Succus citris, Spiritus nitridulcis, Aspire vini, Vanilla aromatic, Vina. Medicine which has been found to appear only once in BBCR: Aurum mur netronatum, Aurum triphyllum, Chio, Copaiba, Eucalyptus eugenesia, Caliper, magnesium nitrate. Page number indicated where these medicine present in the repertory. Abbreviation used in BBCR: teeth right, left, upper, lower, upper O, lower U, incisor, eye teeth, that is E, bicuspid and molars, J, hollow H, head, forehead, temple, sides of vertex, occiput, chest, inner, upper part, UP, lower part, LO, upper extremities, a entire muscular and fleshy part of the arm, unless otherwise specified the entire arm is understood. SH shoulder, O upper arm, U up forearm, H hand, F finger, J shoulder joint, JE elbow joint, JW wrist joint, JF finger joint, B bones, T thumb. Lumbar region, vertebrae of V, coccyx C. Mental rubric not present in Kent's repertory but present in Boger's Bonning-Hussain repertory. So, in this way, we see introduction about Dr. C.M. Boger, history of BBCR, philosophical background, construction, chapter, scope, limitation,